OnePlus recently launched a special edition smartphone in China called the OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition. The OnePlus Ace Pro is the company's current flagship in China, and it's known overseas as the OnePlus 10T. This time it gets a new variant called Genshin Impact Limited Edition. It comes with a new theme, custom-made animations and colors, and a new back panel. The OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin has 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, and a 4800 mAh battery with 160W charging. It has main sensor of 50MP. OnePlus packed a special Genshin Impact theme. The theme is part of the customization options. Now you can see new wallpapers and the color scheme. It is basically a gaming phone with a 720Hz gaming touch sampling rate. The smartphone has a beautiful SIM card retrieving pin, a butterfly seat charging adapter, and fingerprint sensor. It contains a variety of extras, including Hu Tao stickers, a limited edition Hu Tao themed phone cover, a small ghost statue. This edition has the same core specifications as the standard device. In terms of display, OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition has FHD plus AMOLED display of 6.7 inches with a refresh rate of 120Hz and 360Hz touch sampling rate. The smartphone is powered by an efficient and strong chipset of Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 comes with more power efficiency and advanced manufacturing process, which means less heat generation for sustained performance. It has an X-axis linear motor and a vapor chamber with the largest cooling area in the history. It supports 5G network, which provide outstanding performance for playing games, opening and running applications, flipping through menus. The Impact Edition features an X-axis linear motor and a vapor chamber with the largest cooling area in the history. If we talk about the memory, then the OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin paired with 16GB RAM and internal storage of 512GB UFS 3.1. It provides a lot of storage space for your contacts, music, and photos. If we talk about the battery, then the OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition is powered by the battery of LiPo 800 mAh battery with super fast charging of 160W charging. It can charge your phone 100% only in 30 minutes. Let's talk about the cameras. It comes with triple rear camera setup it has main sensor of 50MP, Sony MX766 primary sensor. You can record video of 4 Kelvin at 30 fps from it. An ultra-wide sensor of 8MP with snapper angle and macro sensor of 2MP is given. The OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition has a 16MP front camera for taking selfies and for video calling. The starting price of OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition is $588, but more interestingly, this is the same price as the normal 16/512ths of a gigabyte version of the OnePlus Ace Pro has. So, if we look overall performance and features of OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition, then it is the best gaming phone with reasonable price.